Okay, hello everyone and welcome. Today I'll present our comprehensive solution for integrating AI tools into teaching practices. This initiative addresses the significant knowledge gap we've identified where 63% of K-12 teachers are using AI, yet many lack the necessary training and confidence to implement these technologies effectively. So, our stakeholder interviews revealed a critical challenge. While AI adoption is accelerating rapidly, with 40% of teachers starting to use Gen AI just before the school year, the majority lack proper training. This creates what we call the implementation dip, where using new tools initially makes things harder before making them easier. Implementation strategy overview. It addresses key logistical considerations identified by stakeholders. It is designed to be a 6-week initial rollout with extended support to combat the implementation dip. The program is structured as a microlearning module course, with each module being about 15 to 20 minutes, respecting teachers' time constraints while ensuring deep engagement. So key implementation tips, technology and access. A critical logistical consideration is equitable access. Not all classrooms have reliable access to technology, and not all students have equitable access to technology outside of schools. We've chosen Canvas platform specifically for its accessibility across devices, and all resources are downloadable to address connectivity issues, and you're able to access on pretty much any mobile device. Key implementation tips for time management. Time constraints and cognitive overload are the biggest barriers our stakeholders identified. Teachers are already stretched thin. Our solution uses chunking strategies, organizing content into 5 key concepts through an interactive AI concept wheel. This design reduces cognitive overload and allows educators to control their information intake pace. Supporting broader organizational goals. This directly supports our organization's broader goals. In the short term, we're targeting a 75% increase in educator confidence and 50% implementation rate for administrative tasks. Long term, we aim to transform instruction to emphasize human skills with AI support, measurably reduce teacher burnout through technology, and position ourselves as educational AI leaders. So alignment and institutional vision. As our stakeholders emphasize, the ultimate goal is to reduce teacher burnout by streamlining workflow. AI integration gives back time to teachers, allowing them to focus on the uniquely human aspects of education, the connections that make teaching rewarding. We're addressing their biggest pain points: administrative work overload, differentiation needs, and routine communications. So to ensure sustained adoption, we built in multiple touch points beyond initial training. The optional 30-day follow-up assessment addresses the implementation of the stakeholders' identified needs. Our 60-day focus groups and 90-day milestone check-ins provide ongoing support during the crucial transition from training to practical application. Monthly reviews allow for immediate interventions, while quarterly assessments inform program modifications. The comprehensive evaluation plan ensures continuous improvement. We'll be tracking both lead measures like engagement and knowledge development, and lag measures, including actual implementation and time savings. This data-driven approach allows us to make informed decisions about resource allocation and content modification, creating a truly sustainable learning infrastructure. So call to action. As one stakeholder noted, if we don't address this gap proactively, we'll miss the chance to redefine teaching roles in ways that emphasize human connection over routine tasks. We have an opportunity to be leaders rather than followers in educational innovation. Let's create those safe spaces for experimentation and build a sustainable future where AI enhances rather than replaces the human elements that make education transformative. Thank you.